Dancehall artist Alkaline delivered during the third staging of his popular series New Rules. The event unfolded yesterday at Miramar Regional Park Amphitheater in Florida. Now, the event saw Alkaline taking the stage to perform his catalog of hits. The event also saw performances from emerging act 450 Grammy-nominated singer Wayne Wonder and dancehall hitmaker Cranium. New Rules was previously held in Jamaica as well as New York City. Now, it was an eventful night at the Oscars last night. Users on social media and the world were sent into a frenzy after one of television's greatest nights was shattered by a joke Chris Rock made about Jada Pinkett Smith's shaved head, which did not sit well with her husband Will Smith. Now, Smith emerged on the stage and allegedly hit Rock after the comment he made about his wife. Pinkett Smith has been open about her struggle with alopecia, an autoimmune disorder that leads to hair loss. Now, moments after the incident, Smith accepted the Oscar for Best Actor for his role as Richard Williams, the father of Venus and Serena Williams in the film King Richard. He tearfully accepted the award while describing his role as Richard as a fierce defender of his family. Smith shared that prior to his win, fellow nominee Denzel Washington shared some wisdom with him. Smith also closed his acceptance speech by apologizing to the Academy and fellow nominees. The Academy has since released a statement on Twitter saying that it does not condone violence of any form. It added, quote, "Tonight we are delighted to celebrate our 94th Academy Award winners who deserve this moment of recognition from their peers and movie lovers around the world," end quote. Now, there were a number of historic wins at the 94th Academy Awards. Now, the night saw big wins, including Coda, a coming-of-age film about three deaf actors. It took home Best Picture and saw actor Troy Kotsur becoming the first deaf man to win an acting Oscar. No Time to Die won the award for Best Original Song. Documentary Summer of Soul won Best Documentary Feature. The night also saw a performance from Beyonce, who opened the show with a dramatic performance of King Richard's Be Alive. Beyonce's daughter Blue Ivy joined her mom during the powerful performance. Disney's Encanto, We Don't Talk About Borneo, was also performed at the awards with a surprise guest. The audience was wowed when the three-time Grammy winner Megan Thee Stallion added her own rap verse to the Disney hit, including lines about the 2022 Oscar ceremony. The 94th Academy Awards took place on Sunday at the Dolby Theatre in Hollywood. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.